Picture this. You're a savvy investor looking to swap cryptocurrencies without handing over your keys to a middleman who could freeze your funds overnight or make you pay a lot of taxes on your crypto. What if there was a free-to-use, reliable 24/7 exchange that levels the playing field for everyone with just internet access and doesn't require KYC and is completely secure and anonymous? That's Uniswap, the decentralized powerhouse behind trillions in trades. In this video, I'll break it down simply so you can decide if it's right for you or not. Let's get started. Hello, I'm Sina, and if you've seen my video on what a decentralized exchange is, you know these are decentralized exchanges that cut out the banks and brokers. Uniswap stands out as the leader, built on Ethereum and now spanning multiple networks. Launched in 2018, it's facilitated over $2 trillion in trading volume to date, making it a go-to for anyone dipping into crypto. Whether you're new to this or crypto whale with millions in assets, here's what you need to know. To understand Uniswap, let's step back. It was founded by Hayden Adams, a former mechanical engineer at Siemens, who pivoted to blockchain after reading Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin's ideas on automated trading. In 2018, Adams launched Uniswap v1 as an open-source protocol, essentially free software anyone could use or build on, to address key flaws in early crypto exchanges. Back then, centralized platforms like big stockbrokers dominated, but they came with risks. Hacks draining billions, mandatory ID checks KYC, locking out billions worldwide, and the ability to freeze user funds on a whim. Over 1.7 billion people globally lack basic banking access, widening the wealth gap, even in the US, where only the rich people get premium services without fees or barriers. Uniswap was created to solve this. It democratizes trading, acting as a great equalizer by offering permissionless access to anyone with an internet connection and a digital wallet. No gatekeepers, no exclusions, just efficient, global financial tools that bridge the divide between the banked and unbanked. There is no requirement to be a rich or be a member of royal or elite family to be able to use good banking service. It's all free for all people. At its core, Uniswap uses liquidity pools, shared reserves of paired cryptocurrencies funded by users like you. Basically, users like you deposit pair of cryptos like ETH and BTC in Uniswap pool and earn fee when someone like me wants to swap ETH to BTC or vice versa. When you want to trade, say Ethereum for another token, the system automatically matches your order via smart contract, ensuring fair prices without a central order book. It's all transparent. Every transaction is public on the blockchain, verifiable by anyone, and lightning fast, often settling in seconds. What sets it apart? No KYC means your privacy stays intact and your funds can't be frozen. Imagine you're a major investor or whale with $1 million in crypto. Depositing that into a centralized exchange risks regulatory freezes or hacks. But Uniswap lets you swap securely from your own wallet. Plus, it's open to providing liquidity. You can deposit into Uniswap pools and earn a share of trading fees as passive income and make your money work for you without needing deep DeFi expertise. And with support on efficient networks like Polygon, fees are minimal, often just pennies. So what is UNI Token? The UNI Token is Uniswap's governance asset. Holding it lets you vote on protocol upgrades, like fee structures or new features. With over 600 million in circulation, it's a way to align with the ecosystem's growth. Looking ahead, Uniswap Labs plans to activate a fee switch in 2025, distributing a portion of swap fees directly to UNI holders, creating sustainable rewards without inflation. Excitingly, they've launched UNICHAIN, their own Layer 2 network, in early 2025. Built for DeFi speed, 1-second blocks, and 95% lower costs, it supercharges cross-chain trading, making Uniswap even more efficient for high-volume investors like you. Why use Uniswap instead of other decentralized exchanges? Firstly, the security and reliability of Uniswap, proven many times over time. And secondly, it's the biggest decentralized exchange and has the highest liquidity in it and is very audited. Also, the Uniswap generates a lot of money from fees and is a very profitable company. And if the fee switch proposal gets activated, and even if only it uses 1% of the money that it generates to buy back the UNI token or distribute 1% of fees to UNI holders, the UNI token can skyrocket to prices that you even can't imagine. If this resonates, like, subscribe for more straightforward crypto insights, and comment, ready to try Uniswap? Check my What is a DEX video for the bigger picture. Thanks for watching. Here's to smarter investing. See you next time.